Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. If you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and receive everything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. Hello there. So have you been missing out on client referrals? Like, do you have something where you can see if your clients want to refer you? Are you missing out on that money? I know so many of you are thinking that you've got to do all of these things to get more business. So you're like missing out on the obvious. You're doing your social media, which is great. You're doing your advertising, which is great, but you're missing something right in front of you, which is customer referrals. Every time you even do a one-time off project, a one-time small little project. I remember I had a project. It probably wasn't maybe an hour. And I was thinking, I'm not going to ask them for a referral. They probably don't be bothered. But then something inside said, go ahead and ask. I'm so glad I did. The referral they gave was so large. It was one of the largest contracts I ever had. And it was this little bitty job that we did for them that they ended up referring someone because they knew a lot of people. So do not miss out on that opportunity to get that client referral. Make sure you have a way of getting a referral and giving back once you get it. So that is my tip for you today. And if you'd like to know more about the three pillars I always talk about, I am a fan of automation and I am a fan of systematizing your business. You have to, in order to take it from a side hustle to a real serious, legitimate business that can keep you in the six figures and beyond, then make sure you come to my free masterclass. It is the actual blueprint, the actual blueprint I used to scale all three of the businesses, and one was in less than 2 weeks, and it was $30K. So if it sounds like something that you really want to know about, I'm going to give you all of it, the secret, number 1, 2, 3, all of that. And I always talk about the three pillars, which is attraction, acquisition, and retention. I go over that and the latest on the marketing. And just trust and believe it's not all about the marketing. That's a small part of it. You'd be surprised. It's not all about the marketing. You probably have everything right now to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. You just don't know it. So make sure you attend the masterclass, register in the description. And if you need anything else when it comes to scaling your business, please feel free to reach out to our company at 407-595-1598. You can reach out to myself or one of our other representatives. We would love to hear from you. And until next time, make sure you stay safe and take care. Bye-bye.